Welcome to Peace Diaries, where I talk about finance, lifestyle, and growth, and how you can increase your source of income in this year 2025. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you are going to withdraw your Tpoint, how you are going to cash out your Tpoint into your local bank account or into your USTD or into Epay. So for me, I'm cashing out my money using Epay. I will log in to my Lollipop account. If you want to know how to log into your Lollipop account, I will link a video for you up here. So now I'm going to click on cash out, and I have 131,123 points, which is $13.11. I will click on cash out and then click on all because I want to withdraw all. So the equivalent is $13.11. I will click on and the minimum amount of withdrawal is $10. So I'll click on withdraw. Then I select the currency type. I'm going to withdraw using Epay. If you want to withdraw using Epay, your account, okay, let me choose my payment method. Your Epay account is your email, the email account that you use to open your Epay. I will link the video on how to open Epay account also in this video. So you type in your email address you used to open this Epay account. So I type in mine. Then I also confirm the email address. And then you can see it tells me expected to get $12.11, which is 0.3% charges that was charged upon the $13.11. If you were using USD, they would take $6 out of your money. So Epay is one of the cheapest way you can withdraw your money. So after I've typed in my Epay account, which is my email address, I click on withdrawal. Application has been sent, you can see. So I will wait for some few minutes before I get the money. Now let's go to the record. A message will be sent. You can see withdrawal. I've been able to withdraw 130,000 points, which is this. Now I will go to my Epay account to see if the money has reflected. If you want to see the video on how to withdraw from your Epay account to your local Naira, because the withdrawal I did there was USD. Now from USD to Naira will be done on my Epay account. If you want me to make that video, let me know in the comment section. Bye.